Hi, happy creators, Joy here. Today's drawing is Rumi from the K-pop Demon Hunters. So let's get started. First, let's draw the two eyes.
Watch your colors catch the light.
Don't forget to leave those tiny circles for the highlights. They make the eyes sparkle. Now, shall we draw a sweet smile? Perfect. Next, for the face outline, try marking dots first to keep it balanced. And hey, don't be sad if it's a bit crooked. Every single line is a precious experience, so you're doing great. Let's add ears. Maybe some earrings too? So stylish! Now for the hair. Rumi's hair is super long and unique, isn't it? Let's stop here for the hair and finish the rest after the body. Eyebrows next. Now, let's color the eyes. Wow, she looks so much more alive now, right? Time for the body. Let's draw the neck and her outfit. Look at this! A white turtleneck and a trendy yellow jacket. She's a total fashionista. Those bold black lines really make the jacket pop. Now, let's add these fluffy cloud patterns inside. It feels so dreamy. Don't forget the mark on the jacket too. You know, these tiny details make your drawing look truly professional. Let's move on to the pants. Draw two little strings and a zipper in the middle. Now, the belt. And look at those red lines on the sides. Great job! Let's add a zipper pocket here too. Next, the legs and boots. Let's make Rumi look like she's standing tall and confident. I love it! Now for the arms. Let's put one hand on her waist. Details. They really bring the magic. Add the patterns on the shoulders and sleeves. Now for the other hand. She's holding a sword. Make sure to show the shiny surface of the blade. Amazing! Let's finish Rumi's hair. Use light pencil lines first to plan the flow. There we go. Now, trace over the guidelines with your pen. Oh, and don't forget the fluttering ribbons, they add such a nice touch.
Lay your paper down so wide. Watch your colors
And
catch
we're
the
done.
light.
I really hope you enjoyed drawing Rumi from K-pop Demon Hunters with me. I had so much fun today. If this was helpful, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss our next cute drawing adventure. See you soon!
All is free to grow.